Here we will see SQL Server Installation. Here we will see step-by-step process of installing Microsoft SQL Server on Windows 10. First, download the setup file from the SQL Server download page. Then scroll down until you find the Developer Edition and click the Download Now button. Once the download is complete, open the setup file to start installation process. Click the middle tile to select Custom Installation Type. Choose where to store the downloaded installation media file and click Install to continue. Once the download is complete, the setup window will automatically closes and is replaced by the SQL Server Installation Center window. Here start the wizard to install SQL Server 2019. Select the installation category on the left hand side of the SQL Server Installation Center window and click the new SQL Server link to start the installation wizard. The wizard will automatically check for available updates. If there are no updates ready to install, click Next to proceed. The install wizard checks for any errors that might cause problems during the setup process. If it detects any failures, fix them before clicking Next to continue. Choose an installation type. If you are installing SQL Server for the first time, select the Perform a new installation of SQL Server 2019 option and click Next. Choose the version of SQL Server that you want to install and enter a product key if you have one. Then click Next to proceed. For this example, we are installing the free developer version. Check the I accept license terms and privacy statement box and click Next to continue. Select the features that you want to install. For this example, we are using Database Engine Service options and then click Next to proceed. Then enter a name and instance ID for the new SQL Server and click Next to continue. Set up the service accounts and collection configuration and then click Next to continue. For this example, we are using the default setting. In the Server Configuration tab, select the Mixed Mode method of authentication. Select a user for the role of SQL Server Administrator and set up a password for their account and then click Next to proceed. The final step offers a summary of the installation. Click back to return to any of the previous steps and change the installation settings or click Install to start the setup process. Once the setup is complete, the status of setup operation should read Succeeded. Click Close to exit the installation wizard.